Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. In previous lecture I have discussed about the Swat and Hazara region with respect to the tectonics of the Swat and Hazara region, and that is the continuity of the geology of Pakistan under the subject of tectonics of Pakistan. So we have a little bit discussed about the Swat and Hazara region, and in this lecture it is the further detail of that region, Swat and Hazara region. But in this lecture we will discuss about the names of the area, and a name is another feature in the tectonics of Pakistan, or according to the subject tectonics. First of all, I will try to give you detail about the NAP. What is NAP? So the definition of NAP is that any rock body which is moved from initial place due to the tectonics. So remember students that and viewers, what is NAP? NAP is the any rock body which is moved from initial place due to the tectonics. Tectonics mean due to the movement of plates. And the example of NAP in Swat and Hazara region is Himalaya. And the minimum range or the minimum limit of the NAP is about 10 kilometer. The example of the NAP in Pakistan or in Swat and Hazara region is Muhammad and Swat NAP. There are igneous and metamorphic rocks. So the lithology of the Muhammad and Swat NAP is igneous and metamorphic rocks, and these are the fragments of Indian plate. On the basement of the Muhammad and Swat NAP there are Magloor formation, and the age of the Magloor formation is late Proterozoic, and the lithology of the Magloor formation is schist and gneiss. The first example of a NAP in Pakistan, which is Muhammad and Swat NAP, and we have told that on the basement of the Muhammad and Swat NAP there are Magloor formation, and lithology of the Magloor formation is schist and gneiss, and the age of the Magloor formation is late Proterozoic. So on the west of Swat area, or on the west of Swat region, there are Dargai Cliff, and Dargai Cliff is also the example of NAP, or it is looking like NAP. On the east of Swat region there are Puran Fault, and the Puran Fault is the boundary between Swat and Bisham area, and the Puran Fault, Sinstral Fault, it means there are thrust fault, but it is the example of thrust fault or Sinstral fault. Or we can say that the Puran fault is actually the thrust fault, but it is the Sinstral fault, like we can think or imagine as a student of geology. Sinstral fault is the example or feature or branch of thrust fault. In the Swat region there are the oldest rocks in Bisham area, and the age of the Bisham rocks are 2 billion years, and the mostly lithology of the Bisham rocks are metamorphic rocks. So the oldest rocks in this region are in Bisham area, which is about 2 billion years ago, or the age of that rocks are 2 billion years, and the main lithology is metamorphic rocks. And on the basement of these rocks schist and gneiss are present. So it is the oldest rocks in Bisham area. After that there are Karora group. Karora group is overlying basement of Bisham area, and after that after Karora group there are Amlo conglomerate, and it is the unconformity, and I have told about the angular unconformity in previous lecture. If we found angular unconformity anywhere, so it is the example of tectonic activity, or we can imagine that it is the tectonic episode. So Amlo conglomerate is the example of angular unconformity. And to the east of Bisham NAP there are Thakot fault, and Thakot fault is also strike slip fault, and it is a dextral fault. Feature in Bisham NAP is that there are window like feature. So remember that to the east of Bisham NAP there are Thakot fault, which is dextral, and strike slip fault. On the east of Bisham there are Hazara NAP, and in Hazara NAP there are Tanol formation, and the important and main lithology is Swat granite. And viewers, remember that in Hazara Nape there are inverted metamorphic rocks. In Hazara Nape there are Tanol formation, and above Tanol formation there are Abdabat formation, and there are Mansera thrust in this area, and in Mansera thrust there are different metamorphic rocks in every thrust sheet. So there are sheeted like structure, and in every thrust sheet there are different metamorphic rocks are present. And on the east of Hazara Nape there are Balakot shear zone, which is called Kagan Nape. So we can also call Balakot shear zone or Kagan Nape. And Kagan Nape, which is separated from Hazara Nape by Balakot shear zone. So it is separated from Kagan Nape by Balakot shear zone, or we can say that Hazara Nape is separated from Kagan Nape by Balakot shear zone. In Kagan Nape there are buttle fault between Kagan zone and Balakot shear zone, and the lithology of the Kagan zone is lower graded metamorphic rocks, and the lithology of the Balakot shear zone is high graded metamorphic rocks. And after that, viewers, there are MCT, capital MCT. And viewers, MCT is the geological term, and it is the abbreviation of main central thrust. And the example of main central thrust are present in 11 places in Pakistan. There are about 11 places which are the examples of MCT in Pakistan. On the north of Hazara there are Banna Nape, and the main lithology of the Banna Nape is metamorphic rocks, and there are feature like opposite versions, and opposite versions means there are back thrusting. So opposite versions means the opposite of thrust fault, or we can say that back thrusting of rocks. East of Kagan there are Nanga Parbat Nape. So viewers, it is all about the napes in Pakistan which are present all over in the northern areas of Pakistan, and we have discussed about the Swat and Hazara region, and we have discussed about the napes of Swat and Hazara region. And viewers, all the napes are the fragments of Indian plate, as you know that, and I have discussed that the Himalayas are formed collision of Indian and Eurasian plates, and plates collides in Paleocene age. Sorry students, I mean that formation of Himalaya starts in Eocene. So remember that formation of Himalaya starts in Eocene, but plate collides in Paleocene age. So first deformation starts in Eocene age, but plates collides in Paleocene age. And fourth deformation starts in Miocene age, and the weathering of Himalaya starts. So it is all about the collision of the Indian and Eurasian plates, and the result of the collision of the Indian and Eurasian plates are Himalayas. And I have told you all napes are the fragments of Indian plates. So I hope students you will enjoy all of these information about the Swat and Hazara region and the napes of Pakistan which are present in the Swat and Hazara region. And one another request to all viewers that the book which is front of my camera is not related to the topic. I am using this book just as a mask of the video, so please don't try to read the book which I am showing in the video. It is the book of Arthur Holmes, Physical Geology, and just focus on the audio, focus on my voice. And the book which is on the front of camera is not related to the topic of tectonics or the Swat and Hazara region. It is just a mask of a video. As many viewers comment on previous videos that the video quality is not good, so I am trying my best. As you know that I am the beginner in this field, so now I need just motivation and appreciation from the viewers and students all around the world. And after some time I will increase the video quality and I will try my best for the viewers and students. Now thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel and share my videos and like, and if you have any feedback or idea to improve my video quality, so please give me feedback. I will wait for your positive feedback. Thank you.